Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 6 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're working our upper body, our back. It's very hard to challenge our back, especially at home. Today we're doing and trying a new exercise. We're going to be using a slider set. So grab your sliders and let's go down on the mat. Let me show you the exercise. We're doing sliding row. So we're gonna start. Make sure you can slide your sliders on the floor. If you don't have sliders, grab two small towels and they will work just fine. Okay, sliders or towels down on the floor, and from here extend your arms over your head, and we're gonna open and squeeze your back muscle, squeezing between your shoulder blades and lifting a little bit, and then back to the top. We're doing 100 reps. Let's go. Squeeze your back. 10, 20. And 33. Okay. Woo. We did 33 reps. Taking a moment and then going back for 2 more sets. 33, 34, just to make a 100 reps of this challenge. Okay, definitely feeling this in my back muscles. Okay, let's go. Let's keep moving. Second set. Off we go. And 33, you can stretch back in child's pose. Woo! Nicely done. Okay, one last set and we are done for the day. Do you like this new exercise? Tell me in the comments. Whew. Okay, hands on your sliders. And off we go. Squeeze between your shoulder blades. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 20, 14 more reps. And 100. Holy moly, this was amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoy this one. Day 6 is in the books. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 7.